Coconut breaking animation in Adobe Photoshop.
Graphic teacher.
First of all, we take 1000 pixel file, and this file is ready for animation. So before animation, I show you all the layers, like which layers in which mode I have kept it. So one by one, I'm keeping them on to show you which kind of layer it is. Before animation, we make them convert to smart object for a better control. These two layers move together, so we make them together in convert to smart object. Except the shadow front and background, we make all of them converted in convert to smart object, so we can animate properly. The file is ready for animation. Go to timeline or go to Windows timeline and keep timeline on. Default timeline seconds are 5 seconds. So we keep it first 4 layers on: base, leaf, shadow and full coconut. So first give keyframe on first frame, on shadow and coconut. On 15th frame, make it move to the bottom and shadow also make it bigger. Once coconut touch to the ground, it should be blurred and spreaded. You can make it little faster, make it to 10th frame. So animation will get faster. And after hitting the ground, coconut will disappear. Like bottom slice and top slice. So top and bottom slices will start after 10th frame. We keep them on after 10th frame. So when it disappears, that broken parts should be coming to the frame. So we are going to animate coconut top slice. Come to the 10th frame and rotate it, and it goes on first second. And go to the 2 seconds and move it away like it's slowly animating, like slow motion. Same with milk layer, keep it on. Adjust the size and generate keyframe and check the animation timing. Same way, fast, then slow motion. Make it the same like coconut slice. You can extend it to 4 seconds, so it look like very slow motion. Slow motion action effect. Same with water splash layer. Start from 10 frame, make it similar to the other two animation move to the down and fast animation and make it on 4 second very slow animation. Lock the down and increase from down only. See, it look like the proper animation now. Give keyframe on opacity. So decrease the opacity on very last frame for water. Now it disappears. Now it's time for leaf animation. The only 3 keyframes we will generate: first, middle and last. So go to transform, Ctrl D, animate from first frame, middle frame and last frame. On middle frame, adjust transform, keep it, keep first frame and last frame similar. Now it's looking good. And same on last frame. So it will keep in loop animation. Now time to add audio. Go to audio track and I have selected a coconut breaking sound already. Adjust the audio and play sound. Cut from scissor tool and delete the rest of them. Now your animation is ready. Like, subscribe and press the bell icon for more tutorials like this. Thank you so much.